what are the analog circuits that we see, analog designs that we see. There are many analog circuits. I mean, I would like to give a few examples. Amplifiers. Amplifiers are used to amplify the signals. So, comparators, voltage regulators. Voltage regulators, what is our electricity? Our electricity is like a AC format, but what our digital or the ICs or the analog circuits can take, I mean all the circuits will take only DC signal, and any electronic circuits we expect or we should have a constant voltages which is called a regulated power supply to our ICs, so that I mean it will produce the required outputs and all those things. All the regulated outputs can be generated from analog circuits using a voltage regulators, LDOs, BGRs and all those things. And there are many circuits operates with the frequencies. How to generate these frequencies? We need to have a clock generating circuits to generate frequencies, which you can call it as a PLLs, DLLs, where this generates a high speed clocks and all those things. And again, so as I mentioned, the nature is analog. I mean all the analog signal has to be converted into digital, which where we need a analog to digital converters. And not only these, I mean there are many analog circuits are there. I mean there are like high speed transmitters, transceivers, RF circuits to RF transmitters and receivers, and there are many other circuits in analog form still exists.